Online textbook. So this is, again, going to be one of the most important things that I want to make sure you know how to access. So I will just go ahead and click on this link here. And whenever this comes up, I already gave you a login and a username. You have not done anything yet. Okay, obviously you haven't been here at school yet, but I have created a username and a password for you. Okay, so when you get to this screen, what you need to do is go back to the textbook login. I will use the same example. Say I'm in 6th grade. Say my name is Lauren Beam. Shout out to you, Lauren Beam. I would scroll down and find my name. Okay, these are in alphabetical order for last name. Okay, and this would be Lauren Beam's email, or not email, but username. Okay, she needs to take that, copy it. I'll actually do it, maybe. So take that, copy that, go back to the website, paste that. All passwords are going to be the same. Okay, I already have that here on this web page. Your password, and the red here, is Bulldogs1 with a capital B. Make sure that you use a capital B and there's no spaces in between. I guess I should have mentioned that for the username as well. Okay, right here, how it says L Beam, it's a capital L, a period, no spaces, all capital letters, BEAHM, period, 15. Okay, there's no periods in here. You're not going to be able to log in if you put any spaces and if you don't put any capital letters. Hopefully this is something that you only have to do once, because once you log in once, like many other websites, you can save your username and password and you won't have to do it again. Okay, so again, let's just log in, capital BULLDOGS with the number 1. If I hit log in, then just like I said, it's going to pop up and it's going to say save. I'm not going to save it right now because I am not this person. Okay, but it's going to pop up like this. Okay, because who I signed in as is a 6th grader. It has a 6th grade textbook. If you are a 7th grader, it's going to have the 7th grade textbook. Okay, then I would just click launch. After you hit launch, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Okay, all you really need to know right now is the ebook, this green button right here. Okay, if I click on ebook, it is going to bring you to the textbook in which we're going to be using this school year. Okay, so this is the very first page of where we're going to start off on next Monday. Okay, and you can mess around with it, click through. We'll talk about easier ways in which you can navigate this. For example, if you go up here to the top left, you can break it down by chapter. If you click on the chapter, you can break it down by lesson. I'm going to be telling you what we're going to be learning about, obviously, but I want to make sure you're aware of how to use this online textbook. There's different tools up here as well, but become familiar with this. It'll make your life a whole lot easier. Okay, because if we aren't here at school, again, we need to be flexible. We need to make sure we are prepared for anything. Okay, so make sure you know how to use the online textbook in case you can't be here in person using the hands-on textbook. Okay, go back to my Google slide. Okay, so moving on from the textbook, hopefully you don't have